is around 80 km from the hotel and it generally takes 2 hours of time to reach there. Entry to the waterfall is through the third gate of the Simlipal National Forest. After driving for 5 kilometers through the forest, we reach the parking lot. We need to walk for 2 kilometers to reach the Devkund waterfall. 5 pm is the exit time from this place as this comes under forest buffer zone. Devkund or Devakund is a combination of two Uriya words. Dev means deity and Kund means pond. Just above the falls, on top of the mountains, there is the temple of Ambika. Just for information, swimming in the lake and photography in the temple premises are strictly prohibited. We started our return journey at 5 pm and reached Kolkata at 11 pm.